Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure Maps is updated, and permissions are allowed so Street View can access GPS and images. Once done, open Maps, search the address, or long press the map to drop a pin. Then tap the place card and choose the Street View thumbnail or photo sphere to enter. You're doing this now to go straight into the immersive view. This avoids extra menus and gets you to navigation controls quicker, so you can start exploring. You'll navigate by swiping to change your view and tapping the white arrows or double tapping the street to move forward. This simulates walking. Make sure to pinch to zoom for details and use 2-finger rotate or the compass icon to align north. This helps when matching real-world orientation. Once inside, tap blue or white nodes to jump between panoramas and use the search bar to find nearby businesses without exiting. These steps let you move precisely. You'll finish by exiting with back or X and saving any location with the star so you can return quickly. If you want to show someone else, open the place card and use Share to send a Street View link or snapshot. This preserves viewpoint and orientation. If images don't load, make sure permissions and connectivity are enabled, clear Maps cache, and update the app. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most problems and gets you back into Street View fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.